Good day, lovers of Hope and Johnson across the globe. How are you doing today? I want to believe you're doing fine just as I am doing fine. Yes. Oh, you're welcome. And hey, if I am coming on your way for the first time, I also want to say you're welcome to this platform. And today I'm looking at something very, very crucial. Yes, it is crucial because if you look at it, it looks like yesterday that we started the year 2021. Yes, it looks like yesterday that we started the year 2021, that we were greeting one another, Happy New Year, compliment of the season. But do you know something? Do you know that like play, a month is gone? Like play, a month has already gone out of the world. The 12 months that we have in the year 2021. And here we are in the second month. The second month is almost going. And that is why my lecture today is like a reminder to you that when we started this year, there were lots of ideas in your heart. There were a lot of dreams that you entered the year with. So my lecture today is more like a question that how far have you gone with those ideas? The ideas that were dropped in your heart, the one you entered the new year with, the fresh ideas that you have received in this year, what have you done with them? And that is why I'm looking at the topic, run with that idea. Run with that idea, don't waste it. Now listen, ideas are like seed. Ideas are like seed. And what is the beauty of a seed? The beauty of a seed can only be seen when the seed is planted. When you plant a seed, you can be very sure that it's not just one seed that you will harvest as well. It's going to come out in a multiple way. You're going to harvest greater proportion of what you have planted. Ideas can be likened to that. The ideas that you enter the year with, if you have not done anything with them, it means you have not planted that idea. And ideas are to be processed. How do you process the idea? You process the idea by what? Taking all that needs to be done concerning that idea. Now look at it. Maybe you don't know that idea that have been dropped in your heart. They are for a reason. Those ideas were not just dropped in your heart for fun. They are for a reason. And then most of the time, we don't, we tend to waste ideas. We tend to waste ideas. The idea that you enter the year with, I want to do this, I will do this, I will do that. How many of them have you done? Stop romancing that idea. Maybe you don't know. Most of the big enterprises that you see today, every great enterprise, every great company, every great establishment always began as what? As an idea. Yes, they always begin as an idea. Most of the great enterprises that you see today that you're willing, you are curious to be a part of, they all started as an idea. And that idea that you are playing with, it has the capacity to what? To liberate you from poverty. It has the capacity what? To set you free from whatever you are going through. That idea also, if it is being worked on, it also has the capacity to what? To put food on the table of so many people. Because when an idea is given unto you, you may be the one who has received the idea, but there are a lot of people who are going to draw one thing or the other from that idea. And that is why I am calling your attention to the fact that the idea that you entered the year with, the one that have been dropped in your heart even in the course of this 2021, they are not just to be in your heart for fun. You need to start executing them. You need to start working on them. You need to start converting them to reality. You know, that idea is like a picture in your heart. Yes, the idea is like a picture in your heart. But when you start working on it, that means you're making efforts to what? To make it become reality. And please let me say this. If you are a victim of this, and if you have the opportunity to listen to this, I think you can immediately correct that. Don't ever go out. Don't be far away from what? Writing materials. Yes, because the way God speaks to us, the way God drops idea in our heart, He drops idea in our heart anytime, any day. I'm sure you will agree with me that there are times you may be driving and an idea may just be dropped in your heart. There are times you may be in the kitchen. There are times you may be walking on the street. There are times you may be having your bath. There are times you may be doing something and then an idea may just be dropped in your heart. So what you do with such is what? Don't be far away from writing pad, from writing materials. Like I always tell people, when you go out, make sure there is a writing book, there's a book, or there is a pen with you. If you don't have any of such, we are in a more civilized world now. Your word, your device, your phone, they are like a tool. Whatever idea that is dropped in your heart, endeavor to always pen it down. Yes, most of us always miss it from the starting point, because when an idea is dropped in your heart, you don't even bother to pen it down. And when you don't pen it down, by the time you want to gather the idea together, you see that it might have faded away. So the first thing you must pay attention to is that whenever an idea is dropped in your heart, pen it down, put it down before it fades away. When it fades away, when you allow the idea to go for like 5 minutes without putting it down, of course you can't really put it down. You can't get it the way it was dropped in your heart. So that's the first thing. That's the starting point. What are the ideas you've been wasting? What are the ideas that are so strong in your heart that you've not taken any step on? Let me tell you something. Time is something that it waits for no one. You know, that idea may even be an answer to your prayer. Some people may be praying, oh Lord, do this for me, do that, do that, do that. And the Lord has answered your prayer long before now by dropping that idea in your heart. But here you are still praying, and God will just be looking. No wonder the Holy Scripture says, he that sits in heaven shall laugh. He will just be looking at it that, look at this boy, look at this man, and I've answered his prayer since, but he's not sensitive enough. So my people, the point I'm trying to make is that you must learn to run with idea. That idea that is dropped in your heart is not just for fun. It is meant to liberate you from one thing or the other. It is meant to liberate people from whatever they're going through. That idea is for a purpose. Okay? So when an idea is dropped in your heart, write it down and make sure you take all the necessary steps with it. Don't forget, by an idea, every great establishment started. That means if you want to also be great, that greatness will first of all begin as an idea, and until you start taking steps with that idea, I am sorry, you may just be dreaming, and those dreams may not come to reality. Now let's look at another example from the Holy Scripture. I'm sure you must have learned about the story of Jacob and Laban. Yes, a man who served his master, and his master does not want to give him all that they have agreed that he will give him at the end of the world, at the end of his stewardship. Now, you know one thing, that man could have been there serving his master. He served him the first time. He was not ready to meet up with the agreement. They had to cut it and do another agreement again. He could have continued on and on like that. But by an idea, the Lord delivered him. He gave him an idea, and when he worked on that idea liberated him. So what is that idea that has the capacity to liberate you that you have never taken step on? Now, as you are listening to this, I want you to bring out your pen and write those things that have been dropped in your heart. Now put them down and start writing all that needs to be done, and start taking action on them. Remember, ideas are not to be Ideas are not to be romanced. Ideas are not just to be in your heart. They are to be to be run with. They are to be executed. And it is when you execute them that they give you the desired result. I'm sure you've learned something from today's edition. Now, my joy of you listening to this will be that idea in your heart, you are no longer wasting time with it, and you now, right from now that you're listening to this, you start working on those ideas. I'll be glad to see the idea become a great establishment. Thank you for being a part of today's edition. Till I come on your way in our next edition. See you at the top. Bye.